Marriage consists of entrusting our deepest selves into the loving care of one another. It is a public and legal act, to be sure. It is also an emotional and spiritual act. The spiritual act of marriage must be embraced openly, seriously, and completely for the marriage to endure.
Some people say love is blind. I don't think so. She picked a very handsome young man. But one thing that I like so much about Justin is he loves Marian so much. And he's very protective of Marian.
As a grandfather and a great-grandfather, to me, they personify what I call the new age Filipino-American generation. And I think in the future, you know, you're going to tell your own story, your own history, and your own traditions.
I don't know if you remember, Justin, but when you were a child, your room was just across the hall from us. And you would say, "Good night, Mom, good night, Dad," and there would be a pause. And then you would say, "I love you," and you would say, "Ever, ever." So with those words, I want you to have your ever, ever. Forever, ever.
Please take a good look at your partner's hands so you may see the gift that they are to you. These are the hands of your best friend that are holding yours on your wedding day. These are the hands that will work alongside of yours as together you build your future. These are the hands that when wrinkled and aged will still be there reaching for yours. Andrea, promise to take Justin to be your husband? Do you, Justin, promise to take Andrea to be your wife, to play with her and care for her, to make him laugh and let him cry, and give your sincerest support with all the love you have to give?
I do.
I do.
Therefore, by the authority vested in me, I pronounce you husband and wife. Congratulations.
And Andrea Shaw.
You know, Justin, this has been a wild ride, and I'm so proud of you, man. And I wish you all the best, and yeah, that's it.
Tyler, my boy. You have him. I have his past. I will share that with you. But share with us his future. I love you both.
Justin has been a part of the family all these years. So for Justin and Andrea, cheers. We love you so much, more than words can say. Thank you for including us in this day of love celebration with you. We love you very, very much.
With a prayer that the Lord will grant them the best in life. And we wish you all the best. We are so happy for you, Justin and Marian. Cheers, everybody. Yay! Okay. Cheers. Okay.
I just want to say again, congratulations, my boy. Hip, hip, hooray!